Today we're looking at Roman bench dogs, and we've got a fair few iron examples. And we'll start off with a set from Case St Edmunds in the UK. The bench dogs are designed to fit in the bench snugly through the pins, and it allows you to create a stop for the workpiece. They come in various types. As I said, that's the more simple one. Take them out. In fact, you could even use it at an odd angle if you wanted. So they have a degree of adjustment. Our next set is a 2-pin version from Saalburg in Germany. That fits like that thus. For your workpiece to whoop against. It's got 2 little prongs there so you can push the workpiece onto it to do further work. You might have 2 or 3 of these on there. Of the other type from Germany, again from Saalburg, is the single pin variant, again with the 2 prongs. So it just fits on there, and the workpiece up to it. Our last set is from the United Kingdom, from Corbridge. It's a 2-pin type with a single prong. They fit like that. Against here. Makes woodworking quite easily. You use planing work or chiselling work. These were, or possibly have been misinterpreted as escutcheon plates, but since they've never been used and they have a direct parallel to the finds from Saalburg, I'm presuming that these are in fact bench dogs. And there we have it. 4 types of Roman bench dogs.